Hello everyone, I'm excited to announce that Recruitly has officially partnered with Apollo. Unlocking new features and tools to enhance your experience, in this video I'll show you how Recruitly with Apollo can help you find leads faster, keep your data updated and enrich your contact list. I'll also walk you through how easy it is to find contacts and bulk import data. Let's begin with data enrichment. Now, we understand that you'll already have a database within Recruitly, and keeping your data updated is crucial. Outdated information can impact your sales and recruiting efforts, but here I'll show you how Recruitly with Apollo makes sure that your contact details stay up to date and relevant. We let you enrich your data from several places, with this grid view being the easiest and fastest option. Once you install the Apollo app, you'll notice a new column, Apollo, appear in the grid view. Now, by default, your contact records aren't linked with Apollo, but as soon as you enrich your contact's information the first time, they do get linked, giving you a unified view of your records. And here's how it works. In the grid view, locate the contacts you want to update. Now we're going to click the Actions button in the Apollo column for that contact. Select Find and Link, and Apollo will search for and link the contact's details from its database. This screen will appear showing all the available fields you can update, and you can choose which fields to update and just ignore the ones you don't need. Once you've made your selections, click the Update Selected Fields button, and that's it. Updating your data is simple, and in just a couple of clicks you have fresh, accurate information linked directly to Apollo. Now let's look into our lead sourcing. I'll show you how easy it is to find and import new leads directly into your sales pipeline. Whether you're expanding your network or targeting specific industries, Recruitly with Apollo makes lead sourcing fast and super efficient. And here's how we do it. First off, we're going to navigate to our leads section. Once there, we're going to click on Import Leads over here, and this will give you several options, and you'll want to click on the searchapollo.io link here. Now that you're in Apollo, you need to start by deciding who you want to target. For this example, let's select professionals in the London area. So we're going to go into our locations, and we're wanting people that are working in the marketing sector. So let's go into our keywords and use marketing. We can narrow the search further by filtering for people in management roles, and Apollo's filters will make it easy to find the most relevant leads for your business needs. I'm going to select Search Apollo, and now I have plenty of leads in the London area, in marketing, in management. Once the results are displayed, you'll see multi-select checkboxes next to each profile. You can either manually select each individual profile or use the Select All button at the top to add multiple profiles into your basket. As you continue navigating through the additional pages of results, you can keep adding the relevant profiles to your basket, much like shopping on Amazon. Once you've finished selecting your leads, you're going to click on the Checkout button to review everything. And on this final page, you'll see the summary of all of the profiles in your basket. For each profile, you'll also find the LinkedIn links, allowing you to verify details before finalizing the import. Now, in the checkout screen, you'll need to configure a few defaults. First off, we're going to select all of these people. Now we can choose to import these as leads, contacts, or even as candidates. For this example, we'll go for leads. And from here, we'll configure our details. We want to make sure we're ignoring any duplicates, or we can even update the records if there are any duplicates in there. We can add them to a specific pipeline and a specific stage in a pipeline. We can assign the correct owner and any additional tags that we may need. Now, with Apollo's integration, sourcing leads and importing them into Recruitly is really simple and efficient, and it keeps your pipeline full in just a few clicks. We can also quickly find all contacts for a single company and import them with just one click. If you're working with a client and need the latest contacts from their company, our Apollo integration makes getting that information seamless. Let me walk you through how to do it. First off, we're going to navigate through to our Companies tab, and we're then going to locate the company we wish to use. You'll click on the company name to open its detailed view and navigate to the Contacts tab. This is where you'll manage and view all existing contacts associated with the company. On this tab, you'll see the Import from Apollo button in the corner here. You're going to click on this button to pull in the latest contact information for that company directly from Apollo. As we can see, there are over 100 people within this search, and we want to narrow this down. Now we can do this utilising job titles, locations, keywords, whatever you need. Let's go with a location of London. We narrow this down, and from here we can select an individual record or use the select all at the top and import them into our database. We simply select Import Selected, work through our parameters. Do we want to ignore any duplicates or update their existing profile? Making sure we're tagging the correct owner and utilising any tags that we may need. And submit. And it really is that simple. With just a few clicks, you can quickly add new contacts or update existing ones for any company, ensuring that your information is always up to date. But how do you add contacts for multiple companies, you might ask? Well, we've got that covered too. Now, with Apollo, you can quickly pull contacts from several companies at once, saving time and making it easier to keep your pipeline full. And here's how it works. We again head over to our companies page and select the companies that we wish to import contacts for. Again, this may be all companies or just a select few. From here, we go to our Apollo Actions button and select Find Contacts. This will pre-populate some of the search parameters. And again, we can now narrow this down. We may want to do this by job title, location, or keywords. And from here, we can go through, add those select people to your basket, go to checkout, select all, import as, and select contacts. Again, utilising your parameters, select submit, and all of these will now automatically map to the correct company within your database, meaning you don't have any duplications. When we select the company in our contacts, all of those contacts are now visible. I'm going to cover off bulk importing. You're going to see how simple it is to upload large datasets, making onboarding new leads and contacts completely seamless. First off, you'll want to go through and download your CSV file from Apollo itself. Now, for this example, I'm going to use our contacts page. From here, we navigate to our Import Contacts button, select the Apollo CSV file, upload your document, and from here you're going to follow the instructions and everything will automatically map the fields to your fields in Recruitly and away you go.